Oh mate, you can get off the road. There you go. See you later. Whoop, 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 whoop. He's doing a bit of a runner. You stay over there. Stay safe.
We're the only ones here.
Okay, so we're at the Wyperfeld National Park, which is south of Mildura and north of Hopeton. Quite a nice park. It's got a visitors area here, day visitors area, and further down we've got the van down there is the camping area. They've got little shelters at the visitors area, which is pretty cool. They've got fire pits, tables, fantastic sand dune. They've got a little drop toilet there, probably the best, cleanest drop toilet I've actually seen. The countryside around here reminds me of Jurassic Park. It's just, you know, expect to see a dinosaur coming over. Regulations: chainsaw use prohibited, generator use prohibited, fires in fireplaces only, fires not to be unattended, fires not to be extinguished with sand, fires are to be extinguished with water upon leaving. So all in all, looks like a good place. There's Optus and Telstra reception up on top of the sand dune. It's a little bit of a climb up the top. Just make sure when you do get there, you've got your phone. Looks like Joey's going up the sand dune to use the phone on top of the ridge. She's having a little bit of trouble there. She's trying pretty hard. No, she's determined. She's going to get to the top. Just don't fall backwards. It's quite steep, that side. She's nearly there. She can do it. Just about there, little steps. The trouble is, every time you step down, it just slides back a bit. She's into the gear again. She's got 4-wheel drive low ratio on. She's in 4-wheel drive. She's got some good tread at the back. Oh, you're not there yet, stop looking. But she's just about there. She can feel the firmer sand. Oh, she's up, she's away. Okay, so it looks like Joe's just got up to use the telephone to let the kids know that we're out of range, but we're okay. Coming down is as treacherous as going up. This is our camp. We've actually taken the cruiser off the caravan. I've lowered the tyres down to 25 psi. There's heaps of full driving tracks here. No television. We've got the satellite hooked up just in case you want to see some news of what's going on along around the place. Pretty good solar day today. We had a lot of rain yesterday. We thought we were going to have a big storm, but that never happened. We just got a bit of rain. So I've actually put the 200 watt panel out to supplement the panels up on the roof. Not allowed to use any wood for fires around here. If you want a fire, you should bring it in. We'll probably do a little bit of drive outside the park and find somewhere we can actually buy wood or cut a little bit of wood. That's pretty good. OZLAPN.
He looks like a gorilla. And it's wet and freezing out here.
So we're doing our early morning walk before we pack up. Where are we heading, Joe? The Sullivan's Lodge. We've got some friends over there in the field, some kangaroos, just watching us as we go past. Some pretty gnarly, nice old trees here. Just waiting for the dinosaurs to come running out, because I'll tell you what, this looks like dinosaur country here. So we're just wondering with the lodge if it's going to be an old farmhouse that they've taken over when it became a national park, or if it's actually some sort of lodge that they've built. It's a little way off, but we'll see when we get there. So we've actually walked from the Snowdrift camp and we've come across Sullivan's Pine Plains Lodge. And it looks like it's got an observatory up the top there, which is pretty cool. Inspections invited. Well, that's us, we're going. Wonder how many walk-ins they get here. On our walk back, we came across what we thought was an emu egg, and but no, it was a melon. Nice little melon. Also found some older ones that probably are too far gone for making jam. Oh, Joe's got one. There you go. Yep, you can have that melon. Lovely melon, Joe.